Today we're going to talk about the 10 best uses of Away Essential Oil. Because what I want to talk about today is a great ride.
The following is a public service announcement.
Today we're going to talk about the 10 best uses of Away Essential Oil. Because it not only smells like a tropical vanilla heaven, but it's also extremely useful. So, let's find out what they are. Number 1, stress. Use number 2, when you're getting all those work emails and you just can't handle it. Number 3, when you have to do that thing that we all dread, public speaking. Hello, everyone. What I want to talk about today is, well, see, what I want to talk about today is I got this. Thank you all so much for letting me speak here, and what I want to talk to you today is about a very important subject facing our community: raccoons. Number 4, if you have a border collie who gets nervous about car rides and she's just super nervous and all over the place, this is gonna be your best friend. You ready? Are you ready? Let's go. Come on. Very good. Hey, Allie. Are you excited? Oh. Good girl, how you doing? Doing good? Hey, Allie. Good girl.
A few moments later.
Number 5, when you're studying or attempting to study. What? How's the space? What? Number 6, for social faux pas and extremely painfully awkward moments.
Hi, how are you?
Thank you.
Nice weather we're having today, huh?
Good. How are you? Number 7. When everything, and I mean everything, goes wrong. That never happens. Number 8. You know, when you try to sleep, but your brain is just like...
Why do we cook bacon and bake cookies? How do giant underwater sea worms breathe? If anything is possible, how can anything be impossible? If truth is relative, is that true? What if we never get any visitors from the future because there is no future?
Number 9. When you're reading this really good book, but then you realize that your life is a mess, and you're a mess, and your diet's a mess, and it will never be better, and you lack motivation, and everything's horrible. Number 10. When you're driving with a crazy driver.
Hey, ready to go?
Yeah, let's go.
All right.
It's good. Yeah. It was a great ride. Everything's great. Thank you for staying tuned for this PSA about the 10 best uses for Stress Away Essential Oil. If you guys have any other uses that you feel are extremely important and that the world should know about, please comment those down below. And thank you guys so much for watching. And if you liked this video, please like and subscribe. And I will see you next time. Would you like some stress away?
Thank you.
You're welcome. It does. I like it. I'm fine. Okay, you can just like do a little.
Okay. All right.
Up to there.